faculty members, and students. I extend my greetings and wish a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Riding on a buoyant note after a splendid performance in Tokyo Olympics, glorious India is preparing itself for the 75th anniversary of its Independence Day. The theme of this year's celebration is Nation First, Always First. We all are born in an independent country and hence probably understand very little about the insult of being governed by a foreign power and the countless sacrifices of our leaders and freedom fighters to gain our country's freedom. So let us salute today people who fought for the independence of the country and dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation. On this day of national pride, we feel honored to have amongst us Shri Rupesh Kumar Agarwal, IAS, SDM South, UT Administration, Chandigarh, who has been kind enough to grace the occasion. And I request our Reverend Principal, Dr. Sapna Nanda, to present a plant pot to our worthy Chief Guest and welcome him. A very hearty welcome to you, sir, on behalf of the whole college, entire college and faculty. May I now call upon Dr. Sapnananda, the navigator of our prestigious institute, to formally welcome our esteemed guest and say a few words.
Very honorable chief guest of today's function, Shri Rupesh Agarwal sir, other distinguished guests, my very esteemed faculty and most beloved students. Very blessed morning to all present here. On the eve of 75th anniversary of Independence Day, I extend my heartiest greetings to all present here and to all my countrymen. This Independence Day is very special because today whole India, the whole nation is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav through various programs and activities which are going to commence from today and will continue for the whole year to pay homage to our great heroes, to our martyrs who have sacrificed their lives for the country. And this day is all the more special because another great hero of Mother India, Shri Rupesh Agarwal sir, a very dynamic, young, energetic, visionary, talented IAS officer who has recently joined Chandigarh administration is amongst us. Sir, we welcome you from the core of our heart and thank you for sparing your precious time out of your tightly packed schedule of today. I would take pride in introducing our worthy chief guest, Shri Rupesh Agarwal sir. Sir is an Egmont cadre 2019 batch IAS officer who has recently joined Chandigarh administration as Sub-Divisional Magistrate South. Sir is very dynamic, very energetic, full of ideas, new ideas and steering the division of South, SDM South. We welcome you, sir. Sir, to me, the real independence is not freedom from British rule or from any colonial rule for any nation, but it's freedom, liberation from our mental blockages, our closed mindset, vices, or the deep-rooted sanskaras which hinder the progress of any individual and hence the progress of the nation. So let us change our mindset, our attitude, our approach towards life, because दृष्टि बदलेंगे तो सृष्टि अपने आप ही बदल जाएगी. And we, the faculty, the students and practitioners of yoga, we should join hands to spread the message of joy, peace, harmony, love, prosperity, brotherhood and harmony through yoga, which itself means liberation from bondages. Sir, I would like to apprise you that during pandemic, Government College of Yoga Education and Health has been working relentlessly to spread the message of yoga education through various programs and activities. So let us continue this effort and spread the message of yoga to the doorsteps, so that we make it a lifestyle. Yoga should be a part of life. We make it our lifestyle. So let us continue this effort for the times to come, and stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed and enjoy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your very kind words and acquainting us with our worthy guest. Needless to say, this day holds a very special place in our hearts. Today, our heart is full of feeling of patriotism. So, to inspire and instigate this feeling, may I now call upon the students of our college who are coming up with a patriotic song. And this presentation is prepared under the guidance of Dr. Gunanidhi Sharma.
वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr. Gunaliti Sharma, Mr. Roshan Lal, and dear students for evoking our emotions. Moving ahead. We dance for laughter, we dance for happiness, we dance for madness. But today, we dance for our glorious nation. Now, Sukrita Sharma and Bhavya Sharma are coming before us for a patriotic dance performance. I call upon them. Rising performance. Now we are going to have the garlanding ceremony to honor our worthy chief guest. For that, I request our worthy principal, Dr. Sapna Nanda, to please step forward, and all the faculty members also to please accompany her. Faculty members are requested to accompany. We all are really pleased to honor you, sir. Now we will be having the flag hoisting ceremony as a mark of respect and tribute to our motherland. All the faculty members and students are also requested to accompany our worthy guest for the auspicious flag hoisting ceremony. To mark our respect to our national flag, the symbol of our pride. Thank you. Thank you. May I now invite our Honorable Chief Guest to please come and say a few words on this special occasion.
Jai Hind to one and all. I am feeling very blessed and proud to be present here on the morning of the 74th Independence Day. We are heading towards the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which we are going to celebrate next year. Breathing in the air of this college where the energy of yoga is being felt. When I reached the place, the energy level of mine has increased like anything. We have, I think no one of us was present when we got the independence on 15th of August 1947. But the enthusiasm and zeal to celebrate this Independence Day is much higher in all of us because all of us know what is the importance of independence. But unfortunately, what our forefathers dreamed of the independence, as said by your worthy principal madam, we have not been able to achieve. The onus lies upon all of you as children who are going to be the future of the country to break the barriers of casteism, racism, and those myths which are spreading around. I think I am at the best place where I can see the future of the country who can make our nation better and according to the dreams of forefathers. But that's enough. I think you are all blessed with such a well educated and motivated faculty. And happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words, and I'm sure they are going to motivate our students. With this, let us all pray that may the Indian flag always fly higher and we celebrate this significant day each year with pride, joy, and happiness. With these words, once again wishing you all a very happy Independence Day, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone, especially our worthy chief guest, for gracing the occasion with his benign presence on behalf of the students, faculty, and principal of Government College of Yoga Education and Health. Thank you so much, sir. Let us all stand for the national anthem once again. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत जय. Thank you.
भारत माता की जय. भारत
Thank you for this truly heart-touching song, and a big thanks to our worthy chief guest for staying with us and being so humble. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.